Yes, thumbs up. Hi gang, my name is John Culver. I'm a Bernie 2016 alum. I'm a web developer and I'm out of Seattle. I've built a thing called Progressive Events. It's at progressiveevents.org. You guys can check that out or listen to me as your attention sees fit. We think of progressiveevents.org as sort of a spiritual successor of the events map from berniesanders.com, which Rapi and I worked on in different capacities. Our goal is to surface recurring events, civic events, local city things, advocacy groups, campaigns, even party organizations, like when your county or your LD's organization gets together every month. We want lots of people at those things. We want to unify some of the calendaring software that's out there. Right now, organizations have to sort of set up their own, and we want to hopefully bring all of that data and these different sources all together in one place so people can know where to go. And we want to encourage progressives to show up. A lot of decisions get made at these things, and we want to be there and take an active part in helping shape that future, which we're really excited about. The stack is Django. If you've seen any of my projects, you know I'm a big fan of Django Python. It uses PostgreSQL and PostGIS and GeoDjango. It uses Bootstrap and Leaflet, a mapping thing, which is really awesome. Also used by the Bernie Sanders events map. Things that are on our roadmap. We want to have embeddable maps for different organizations. So if you've got a candidate and you don't have like a CMS for adding your own events, we want you to be able to embed those events specific to your organization or your candidate or what have you, so that visitors to your site can see all that good stuff. We want to add RSVPs. We want to make it very social. We want people to share where they're going. We want that to be part of this thing, is just socializing where everybody's going and what all's happening. And we want to bring in more data sources. Right now we're starting to scrape events from Facebook and Meetup and I think Action Network and a few others, but we want to start to bring in more of that good stuff because that will have good outcomes. How to contribute? We've got a Slack channel set up, Progressive Events. We're up on GitHub. I think it's on me right now, but I'll put a link in our chat. And yeah, we want people who can sling code. We want Python folks. We want front-end folks. We want organizers who can help us think about how to scale this sort of software solution into something that's more people-friendly in other cities. We've got a big footprint here in Seattle because that's where I'm based out of, and I've been adding a bunch of stuff that I want to go to. But we want to have advocates in other cities helping push events and getting people out to those things. We want ideas. It's a very new thing. It's something roughly an MVP at this point, but we want to do it really big, and we have a lot of really exciting ideas about where to go from here. And we hope it can be a big part of the revolution as that conversation continues to unfold. So that's me, again, John Culver, progressiveevents.org. And with that, I will hand it off to Megan Dunn.